Hi, I'm Darlene and this is Heartfelt Crochets. So it's that time of year again, back to school, and a lot of us are looking for those crochet projects for back to school items such as pencil cases and book covers and backpacks and so forth. I did a video last year that I'm going to repurpose that I want you to see again this year because it seemed to be quite a hit last year. I probably will end up putting on another one next week for back to school crochet projects that are made out of granny squares. But for now, I wanted to throw this one back out there. So without any further ado, let's go ahead and watch 17 back to school crochet projects. I was searching on Etsy. While I was on Etsy, I found all kinds of really neat ideas and thought, why not save my viewers, my subscribers, some time and share what I found. These are some really neat ideas. There is 17 ideas that I found on Etsy. Again, these are all patterns and I am excited. So let's go ahead and get started. So I am going to put up each item on the screen as I am talking about it, and I'm going to refer to my notes every now and then. Okay, so there are 5 categories that I am going to be sharing with you. But then at the end, there's this one little cute bonus thing that I'm going to throw in there. So the first category is backpacks. This is a set of 4 kids backpack patterns, and these are so cute. As you can see from left to right, there is this little bunny, and then there's, I think this is a dinosaur. Then we have this adorable unicorn backpack, and for those frog lovers out there, this frog backpack. Keep in mind now, there's 4 different patterns in this one sale. Okay, so this is a really good deal because you get all 4 patterns to these backpacks for only $11.13. That's a really good deal. And the designer of these backpacks is Thread Tutorial. Okay. The second backpack is this dog backpack crochet pattern by Cute Happy Toys. This is one pattern and it just shows what you can do. This particular backpack is shown in the blues and the like tannish, yellowish colors, but you can make it in pink, purple, green. You can use your imagination and make this dog backpack for any child's favorite color. And it's only $4.76 for this pattern. I love this. This is just the cutest dog backpack. Okay, then we're getting into a little bit more for like high schoolers or college students, not so much in the kids. And this backpack, I'm going to put up 3 different pictures to this because it's a couple different ways that you can carry it, which I thought was really neat. So I'm going to share this with you. This pattern, if you are a seasoned crocheter, just zoom in, take a peek, really easy. You can figure it out and just do it on your own without purchasing the pattern. But if you're a beginner, then I would recommend that you buy this pattern, and it is designed by Wool Fans Patterns, and it's only $5.98. Okay, so that was the category of backpacks. The second category, pencil cases. The first one that I am showing you here is the Apple pencil case. If you zoom in, you can see how it's crocheted, interchanging your colors, and I really think that this is a neat project to crochet. If you're a seasoned crocheter, I would recommend crocheting this one, not so much for a beginner. This is interesting. I don't know if I'm going to say this correctly. Okay, this is Rafamusa Designs is the way that I'm going to pronounce it today. And this pattern is for $4.15. Now the second pencil case is this really pretty granny square pencil case. And this I really love. If you are a granny square lover, then this is the one for you, because this is so easy. Look, it's 3 rounds and you join them together and you put in this little zipper. I would, however, put a lining. I'm not sure if the pattern shows a lining included in the pattern or not, but I would sew in a lining because certain things might fall through the little holes of the granny square depending on the size hook that you use. So, go according to how big the holes are when you decide to make this, but this is a really adorable pattern, and this is designed by, again, a really difficult word to say. I'm going to spell it. It's Smaatterer. Smaatterer. And she is charging $3.99 for this pattern. And then we have this zipper pouch, just a plain old, very easy beginner's crochet zipper pouch that you can use for just about anything. But today we're talking about using it as a pencil case. And this is put out by Loops and Love Crochet. And this is $3.66. This one can be used again for all ages, as well as any of them can be used for all ages, whether it's grade school, junior high, high school, or college. They work for everyone. So that's it for category number 2. Now for category number 3 is book covers. Do you remember the book covers? Back in the day, we would use either wallpaper or paper bags. I remember using the paper bags especially. The very first one is a crochet book cover pattern, and I'm not quite sure what this stitch is because it's a variegated yarn, multicolored. I can't quite make out what stitch this is, but it's very pretty. And as you can see, the covers slide in to these folds, and I really like this. This looks like it's nice and secure, and again, this wouldn't be for the small child, but this is for the high schooler or the college student or for you at home. But we're talking about back to school today, so we won't talk about things for us at home. This pattern is designed by Cosy Rosie UK for $6.37. And then next we have this book sleeve. Now this book sleeve is kind of like an envelope that you would just slide your book in and then close the envelope and button it shut or snap it shut, whichever you decide that you want to put on it. But this pattern shows a button closure. This is a very pretty design, and it is designed by Kyra Crochet, and it's Kyr, Kyra is what I'm assuming, so Kyra Crochet, and it is only $3.38 for this pattern. Now, that is it for the third category. Now for the fourth category, we are going to go through bookmarks. The first bookmark is called the Kid in You bookmark, and it is by, here goes another one, Lennutas, Lanutis, and it's $12.32. But reason being, look at how many bookmarks there are here. I mean, these animals are just the cutest little things. I'm not going to go through them all. You can see what they are, from a giraffe to a dog, a fox, just some really, really cute animals in these bookmarks, and this is so cute for any animal lover. The next bookmark is for the bookworm in your family. So this is a crocheted worm bookmark. So cute. Look at the multicolors, and then you have the little worm head. I really love this. And this is put out by Faina Cute Toys. What is it with these names? Faina. Faina? Maybe Faina. Ain. We'll go with Faina Toys. Okay. And Faina Cute Toys is selling this pattern for $2.10. So make it for the little bookworm that you know. This is so adorable. And then we have the romantic bookmark. This is so pretty. Again, we are talking about back to school items, but this is a really nice gift for anyone that loves reading. It is just so soft, so delicate, so pretty, so easy. Again, it's anywhere from beginners to seasoned crocheters. This crochet pattern is designed by Faden Fiend Shop for $2.38. That's it for category number 4. Now for category number 5, these crochet patterns are projects for the teacher. Everyone likes to send their kids to school on their first day of school with a little something for their teacher. These are really cute ideas. We are starting off with this really adorable bust tissue box cover. And I really like this. I mean, I wish I was a teacher because I'd love to have this on my desk. And this is designed by Tiny Crafter Corner, and it's only $5.08 for this pattern. What an adorable idea. You could also give it to your bus driver. That's a thought. Next is this Teacher's Supply Bundle. This pattern is put out by Magic Loop Crochet Company. It is $18, but I believe that it's pricey because it might include this basket. I didn't click on it to find out exactly what it included, but I am assuming that it is including this basket for the price they are charging for this pattern. And you get a crocheted ruler and this cute glue bottle, a pencil and an apple, and that could sit on a windowsill or a teacher's desk. Really cute idea. Next is this Plushy apple. This is a really cute amigurumi idea. This is designed by Flower Safari, and it is only $2 for this pattern. And why not give the teacher an apple that is going to last all year long? If not, if you want to send your child to school to give the teacher a real apple, as you know, tradition has it, then how about this apple cozy? Check this out. It has this little leaf and it has this little button closure where you just, unbutton it to fit the apple in so that the cozy doesn't stretch, and then just simply button it up to close it so it's nice and snug and secure. And what a really neat gift idea to give on the first day of school. And this apple cozy is by Accessorize for only $5.04. I really like this one. I think I might end up convincing my granddaughter for me to crochet this one for my great-grandson on his first day of school. And last but not least in the categories for the teacher is these cute little coasters. You can give the teacher these coasters for her to put her drink on during the day. You have this really cute pencil, and then this apple, and then a really cute looking piece of paper for coasters. And this pattern is designed by HC Crochets for only $3. Okay, so that's it for category number 5. Now the really cute idea that I saved as a bonus crochet pattern idea for back to school. These really, really adorable. I love these pencil tips. 8 little animals to crochet to slide on top of your pencil. Yes, you can't access your eraser, but if you end up having this side eraser that you can use, this is so cute. This is good for a child, for a middle schooler, a junior high, even the big kid in you in college, if you are daring and want to use these pencil toppers. I mean, these are just so fun. These adorable pencil tips are designed by Addict Lily for only $5.09. I hope you found a project to crochet for back to school this year. Leave a comment below. Let me know which one you chose. And until next time, bye.